Hey guys, it's Jade Bolden here, and it's day 22 of our Cleanse and Restore challenge. So for those of you who are doing the challenge with me, please comment below, tell me how you're going with this. So in this 30-day challenge, we've got 3 sections. All right, so this is the 3rd section that we've entered. We started it yesterday and I didn't get around to making it live, so I'm sorry. So we've started the renew section. So I took my supplements this morning, yes, and I haven't taken the PB Assist because I want to show you, and the DDR Prime. Okay, and we have citrus in our water. Okay, so I didn't get around to buying the DDR Prime soft gels in time, but I have DDR Prime at home, so it's in an oil bottle, okay, 15 ml. So I'm going to put 3 drops in an empty vegetable capsule. Okay, so open this up, and we're going to do this twice a day. 1, 2, 3. All right, just twice a day. And let me put that down and put the caps on, and it clicks. See? Okay, so cheers. Okay, so the other thing we're taking is the PB Assist. So we're going to take the PB Assist in the evening before bed. Okay, so the PB Assist, let me tell you about this, is 6 strains of 6 billion colony forming units. Okay, and it's in a double capsule, and they're saying that we should take 3. Can you see that? Yeah, they're saying that we should take 3 in the evenings, because what's happening is you've cleansed your gut and it's, you know, clean and scraped out, and hopefully it's all clear now, and we are re-establishing the healthy flora. We're creating a healthy shield, okay, in our gut, and that healthy shield will help with immunity, will help with the skin, will help with all sorts of digestive issues. Okay, and that's why we're doing 3. Now, if you're concerned, you can do less than 3. If you can do 1 or 2, it doesn't matter. And if you feel like, oh, you know, that's okay, I'm feeling great, you can take up to 3, okay, in the evening. So it'll help reestablish the flora while you sleep. So let me tell you a little bit about the PB Assist. I'm reading from my book here. Okay, you can get this book on my website. So the PB Assist helps with clear skin, of course, mental clarity, the digestive system, and of course, if you have a healthy gut, you're going to have a healthy brain as well, okay, because it's going to help with brain function. All right, but the negative energy that it helps you release, okay, because everything has energy, right? Everything has a vibration, and the PB assists with collaboration. So if you have a hard time allowing people to help you, if you have, hi Lamia, if you tend to do everything on your own, okay, oh, you did 2, good, yeah, fantastic. So I'm gonna do 2 or 3 tonight, because I did 1 yesterday and I feel good, so I'm gonna try and do 3. So this here helps us allow others to work with us. Sometimes we feel like, oh, I'm just going to do it on my own and I'm just going to get it done. But we have to realize that we're part of a whole. Everyone is connected, right? And we need to work collaboratively together. Otherwise we feel alone, otherwise we feel drained, and we feel overwhelmed. Okay, so 6 billion colony forming units of 6 strains, okay, of good healthy bacteria, that's going to help your body do a lot of work, so that you don't have to feel like you have to do it all on your own. When we think we're doing it all on our own, we're draining and drawing energy from us, and that's why we have gut problems. Okay, we feel bloated, we feel drained and tired. Okay, so if we just change the mindset and believe that the angels and God and everyone else is helping you out, and everyone's working together to make things work well. Okay, so some false beliefs is, I don't like people, they don't like me, I have a hard time collaborating with people, I don't feel accepted, or I don't feel belonging. Okay, so the opposite is, I feel belonging, I feel protected and secure and happy, and I enjoy unity and I enjoy community. Okay, so think about that when you're using PB Assist. Now let's look at the DDR Prime. So DDR Prime is an amazing blend, okay, and it is for protection of the cells. It helps the unhealthy cells trigger apoptosis, which is self-destruct, self-death, okay, and the healthy cells, it protects it and it leaves it alone, okay, and the unhealthy cells, maybe it can repair it, okay, so it triggers repair as well. But this is the oil of transformation and restoration, okay? So like I mentioned earlier in previous videos, we can't do this passively, otherwise you'll go back to where you were prior to this challenge. We want to change permanently. We want to be better every year, right? Every day. So DDR Prime helps with cellular protection, okay, of course, helps with estrogen, progesterone balancing, helps with detoxification, of course, and helps clear skin, helps with brain and cognitive functions, and the emotions. So listen up to this. The emotions is it helps release feeling incapacitated, feeling stuck, feeling disheartened, hopeless, toxic, okay, negative family patterns, feeling self-loathing, okay, feeling critical and angry, all right, and feeling like a martyr. So if you feel that way, this is a good oil for you, just to let go of just the self-destruction, all right. And then the positive is feeling restored, feeling stable and transformed, rebirth, feeling whole, feeling authentic and receiving and cleansed and simplified. I can humbly heal and change as directed by divine downloads. I allow God's love into my life. Isn't that nice? I can forgive myself and others. Oh, I can easily change my focus from darkness to light, love, and healing. So more information can be found in my book and on my website, so you can go ahead and have a look at that. But if you have those negative false beliefs, all right, let's get rid of it and use this opportunity to renew yourself. Okay, you're a new person after this. There's another 8 days left of this challenge. I think I'll go on a little bit longer, maybe another week, but because I'm enjoying myself so much, it's really helping me change. And during this time when you renew, you might feel another wave of emotional catharsis. All right, let it out, cry it, and you might feel like, oh, I'm so emotional, what's wrong with me? There's nothing wrong with you. It's you letting go of things. Things have to flow through you and then out, okay, instead of suppressing it. If we suppress it, then it will be expressed in our physical health, and so now we're transforming. The other thing about the DDR Prime is we have a lot of toxins in our environment, and it has probably damaged some of our cells. So here's an opportunity for you to help your cells repair. So if my kids go swimming and soak in chlorine water for hours and hours, the first thing I would do after they finish bathing and dressing is to put DDR Prime on their feet, okay, to help their body repair what needs to be repaired. And you know, we eat and drink things that may not be as healthy, so often I would put this on my family members, okay? Make sure that you're using this on a regular basis. That's why it's in a soft gel, guys, okay? And it helps with healthy inflammatory responses too, okay, if you know what I mean. All right, so please comment below, tell me how you're going. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask the questions. Alrighty, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to try and make more videos, but yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.